Hey everyone, Tim McAmis out in the shop again today, doing some more product videos. Don't have a new product video on this today, but it is it's an item we've had for quite some time. I just want to go over some of the specifics on it. So this is our Stainless Zoomie Header kit. It's been around for quite a few years. It's a very nice kit, very easy to put together. What you're going to get is you're going to get 8 tubes, 8 main tubes in each kit, 8 sleeves, and then the collector end braces for the kit. You still will need a header flange for it, so you're going to need a specific flange for whatever head that you have on the engine. But the kit comes with the rest of the components to put it together. Basically, you get 2 tubes with varying degrees for each of the 4 on the side. So they're not the same, so all of them don't have the same degrees here. They change 2 degrees at a time so that when you lay that tube back, that they all line up straight. If you have them bent all the same degree, then when you try to lay them back, then they don't follow the side of the car straight. They won't follow the body of the car. So these do change as they go. So you'll have 2 rear tubes, 2 front tubes, and then 4 intermediate tubes, all varying. And they're all marked, so they'll be marked in the kit when you get them, so you can lay them out. They're easy to see too, that they have a little difference in the degrees. Basically, when you get the kit, you'll just lay out the 4 tubes on each side and then start attaching them to the header flange. Very nice kit, very durable. Easy to put together. The stainless weld's really nice. It's very easy to weld. You do have these slip tubes that are going to go over the tube, and then that's going to tie in this brace, which will then support the bottom section. So there's a lot of other accessory stuff you can get for them too. Like you probably, depending on the power output of your engine or how bad you're going to beat these things up, you would really want to add a support out here off of this plate. You're going to want to put a support back to the chassis of some kind. And we have a support kit for it, or there's varying degrees of things you can use to do that. But you really want to, especially if it's got some power, you'll end up having a failure point at the head after some time, because you're just, basically this force out here is pushing down on that, trying to flex it away from the head all the time. And then you have other issues. You got the heat and all the stuff that goes along with it. But you can also, when you put these together, you can implement how far you want to lay them back. And depending on what type of racing you're doing, there's a lot of benefit to the layback. So, obviously more layback gives you some push, and then more straight up gives you some downforce, gives you downforce on the front end. And this is legit. I mean, this does work. I mean, so you can use the force of the exhaust coming out of this header tube to do things to the car that will help you tune it. So, like if you are running on some tight tracks and you want to use them for downforce, you would lay it more upwards, and then if you want more push forward, you can lay these back farther. So a lot of benefits to changing this outlet around, but these kits are really nice. We have them in stock all the time, and got lots of pictures online of different ones, and you can check them out. Let us know if you need any help, but they are in stock and ready to ship.